Hi, I'm Ayako Sekiguchi from Biranesu Kitchen. This time, I'll show you how to make safe and secure homemade ham using pork loin that you can get at the supermarket. People often think making ham is difficult, but it's actually very easy. And there are absolutely no additives used in this processed meat, so you can enjoy it with peace of mind. You'll end up with a ham that has a gentle flavor. You don't need any special tools at all, so let's get started right away. The ingredients are a block of pork, loin, salt, and cane sugar. This is just regular sugar, but that's okay. You'll also need water and tea leaves. This time, I'm using black tea, but you don't need pricey tea. Barley tea bags or similar work too. It's fine to use those things too. And please prepare a storage bag as well. First, we'll start by prepping the meat. To help the flavor soak in, I'll use a fork to poke holes in it. I'll use a fork to poke holes all around the meat. This is salt. I'll rub the salt all over the meat. Ensure the salt is absorbed as evenly as possible. And now, the sugar. Put the meat into a storage bag and add all the leftover salt and sugar into the bag as well. About 1 teaspoon of water. This is to help the seasonings dissolve more easily. After that, mix everything well so it blends together, knead it a little, and make sure to remove all the air. That's it. This meat was marinated all day. I took this out of the refrigerator and let it sit for about an hour to bring it to room temperature after taking it out of the fridge. If you grill it right after taking it out, it's still cold and the heat won't reach the inside. So let it come to room temperature first if possible. If you take the time to do this, it will turn out well. Next, let's prepare for grilling. Spread oil on the oven tray. And now, the tea leaves. This time, we'll use black tea. You can use green tea, barley tea, or any tea you prefer. Spread out about 3 tablespoons of tea leaves in total. Then, place the grill on top and start grilling the meat here. Please press the excess moisture on the surface of the meat with a paper towel. Now put it in the oven. Please allow me to announce my new book. Bake at 130 degrees C for 80 minutes, then about 30 more minutes inside. Let it sit inside and it will be heated by the residual heat. Even now, it's already delicious enough. But if you wrap it in plastic wrap and let it rest in the refrigerator for a while, the meat will become more and more tender. I think it's nice to enjoy it freshly made, but you can also wrap it tightly in plastic wrap like this. Letting it rest in the refrigerator for a few more hours will make it even moister. It will have a nice texture. It's delicious as is, but you can also use it as a sandwich filling or serve it with salad. Arrange it however you like. Store-bought ham, bacon, and sausage. Processed meats like these contain color fixatives such as sodium nitrite, phosphates, preservatives, antioxidants, and color additives. These are used so the amount you consume and how you eat them matter. There are health risks pointed out depending on these factors, so I encourage you to try making your own safe and healthy homemade version. I'd love to share the taste with you. Please excuse me for speaking while standing. It turned out to have a very gentle flavor. There's really nothing added. This is the natural deliciousness and flavor of the meat itself with no additives. This is definitely something you can only get with homemade. Please try making homemade ham, and if you do, let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching until the end. Well then, let's meet again in another video.